Hi, this is Bhairavi. I'm a tarot card reader. I'm a numerologist. You can also enroll in some number of courses, whichever appeals to you and which you think your life could become better with it and easier with it. And I do provide WhatsApp courses. I do provide online courses. I do provide consultations online and in person, preferably online, so it saves our time all the time. And I do conduct seminars and workshops on different various topics which helps the person to make their life better. So we are right now currently working with Lenormand basic cards, wherein I am telling you certain symbolic meanings, something basic meanings that the card is indicating when we are reading. So if you're starting to practice and work with it, just pull one or two cards, not more than that, for the day or daily for any particular question, and note that down. And with the meanings that I have given you, which I am assuming that you have kept it in the journal already, try to get the meanings from the journal that you have made because of the videos that you're watching, and let us know how it turned out for you, what it said to you. Is there anything else that it came up as? And what card was it? What was the question? What was the context? So right now we are on the card number 34, which is fish. Wow, we are just fine on the final place. So fish indicates affluence, abundance. It indicates businesses, trades. It tells us about finances. It literally, this card can also indicate something which is watery, something which is liquid. So liquid, it can be assets as well, right? Yeah. So sometimes some people are living a high life, like they love the high life. So Gucci bag, Louis Vuitton, all those stuff is something that they like. So whether they like it or whether they have it or whether they would because of it, this, or whether this brings those things, is indicated by fish. It's affluence, it's money, it's abundance, it's liquid assets. So these are basic meanings right now which I'm sharing, and work with them. Do let us know how was it for you, and please do remember to share your love for the work that I'm already doing and wanting to share more. When I share more, I would be encouraged more. It would help me energize more, and that would help me further to share more. So it would be so lovely to see your likes, your subscriptions, your shares, even your gifts. I love that. Your gifts as appreciation, comments in real life, and well-meaning, kind, gentle feedbacks via email. That would help me upgrade myself as well, to share the things the way I share in any manner, whatever that you sense. If I feel connected to your feedback or advice, I would really consider it. And if you want consultations, of course, you can connect to me via emails. You have the data, you have the information around what options are available, and if something that is in particular that you're looking for and you didn't find in the areas which I have already shared with you, which is the links and all that stuff, then you can surely email me. If I am not able to answer you the email right away, or maybe 4 or 5 days after too, please send me a gentle reminder on various platforms which you might be able to connect, or you might have connected to me already, or you might be aware that I'm here. So if you could send me a gentle reminder in any of the platforms or various platforms, I would try and get back to you as soon as possible. And that's all for now. Thank you for working this out on your own and putting in efforts. I'm very glad that you're doing this job for yourself. It's a wonderful way of working. All right, see you soon.